If you're trying to use a web flasher on Linux and you run into this problem right here where you're having issues with the serial port, I'm going to show you one command that might fix your problem. This fix should work for most Debian distros. In this video, I'm using Pop! OS, but this fix also worked on Fedora, and the problem that I had was I was trying to flash Meshtastic on a Heltec V4 and it wouldn't let me, it kept giving me this error. So in short, the reason why this is happening is that it's a permissions issue, so we need to fix the user account and give it the right permissions. So this is the command right here. Sudo runs the command with administrator privileges. Usermod tells Linux that you want to modify the user account. -A means add the new permissions without removing any of your existing permissions. G specifies that you're adding the user to a permissions group. Dialout, the group that allows access to USB serial devices like ESP32, etc. Then you got to put your username, but you could also put $user, and that automatically uses the username whoever is currently logged in. If you do decide to do it that way, make sure you do it in all caps. Then put in your password, and that's it. Now you need to reboot the system. You can just do this command, sudo reboot, and then hit enter. It will reboot your system, or you can just reboot it the normal way. Once you log back in, you can try connecting to the same device again, and now it's going to work. I'll leave the command in the description so you can just cut and paste it. Now I'm still pretty new to Linux myself, but as I run into more issues, I'll make these videos to help people that are also making that migration from Windows to Linux. Let me know in the comments if this helped you, and remember, safety is an illusion.